5 years into this, maybe longer, and
it's a
it's still
process.
something
It's a
where
process.
I will do something and I'll be like stupid, and then I immediately like I'm learning. It's acknowledging the thought, stepping outside of it to observe it, and then immediately coming back with something to
Countering
neutralize
Yes.
it.
Yes.
So if I make a mistake at work and I'm like, oh my God, I'm so stupid.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm learning. I've never experienced this before. It's that immediate neutralization of it.
That's awesome. That's a great tip.
Saying things like, I can't believe you did that, or I can't believe I would fall for that.
Why not? Yeah.
Exactly.
Why not?
Why would I think any differently? I think people
you
are
haven't
out
been-
to be, a good people to me. So why would I assume the worst? I always assume positive. So it's kind of being able to step outside of it and really observe it and then immediately counter it.
Yes, that's excellent.